Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. You know you love me, I know you care. You show whenever, and I'll be there. You are my love, you are my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. Avataram Sansarasaram Pudindraram Sadavasantam Vidyaravidya Pavam Bhavamita Saitam Namami Mandalamala Kali Talakai Kapar Mala Gitsundarai Digyambarai Digambarai Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya.
This is the very first time, okay, we are talking with each other. So, Anna, please give your brief introduction. May I know something about you?
Okay, so my name is Anna Shukla. I'm 8 years old. I study in class 3rd. I study in a public school and I live in Madhya Pradesh. This is all about me.
Oh, that's really interesting. You are only studying in class third.
Yes.
Okay. So, are you from English background? Are you from English medium school?
Yes.
Okay. So, I think that you should know something about myself. Yeah.
Yes, please introduce yourself.
Yeah. So, yes, I'm just going to introduce myself. This is me, Mitlesh, and I'm from Bihar, the district Madhubani. And as far as my educational qualification is concerned, I'm a graduate and I have done my graduation since 2019. And if I talk about my interest, I love making videos on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. And if I talk about my if I talk about my family background, I have one brother, I have two sisters, and both are got married, and I have parents as well. So it's all about me. So is there any question, Anna, then you can ask, and I will try to answer your question.
Honestly, no.
Sorry,
Honestly, no.
you don't have question.
No.
Okay, I'm just gonna ask you the question, okay, and you will answer.
Okay.
Okay, so what is your school name?
My school name is International Public School.
International Public School.
Yes.
Okay, so how do you attend your class? Like, do you enjoy your in your classroom?
Yes, I enjoy my classroom. And there are 8 periods.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great. So, what's your hobby?
My hobbies are learning new languages like Spanish, Chinese, Korean, and French,
Oh my
dancing,
God,
singing, and praying to God because I'm the devotee of Lord Krishna.
you are a devotee of Lord Krishna.
Yes.
I also follow Lord Krishna, but I'm the devotee of Lord Rama.
Oh.
And so you have the great accent, the way you speak English. Okay, this is really up to the mark. So how did you improve your such kind of accent?
I prove it by playing a game.
Hmm.
In a game, I play with my parents. My parents are the student, and I'm the teacher, and my
Wait, Anna, wait. Okay, so have you watched my videos earlier? You haven't watched my video.
no,
Then how did you get my contact ID?
my father.
Oh my God, I think your father has watched my video.
Maybe you have texted me because you have watched my videos and you want to talk to me because lots of teachers are wanting to talk to me.
Great, because you are a really brilliant girl, okay, and you are so energetic, okay. That's why they want to talk to you. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So how
Yes,
was your
I'm
trip?
happy that lots of teachers are liking to talk to me, but I'm irritated because I'm not getting much because I'm not getting much time for a break with the conversation.
God. Okay. So how do you manage that? How do you manage that? Because you are so, so young, and you are so busy, you have so busy a schedule, so how do you manage it?
I try to manage it and to learn. Go after the conversation, I'll take a break for a little while, and then if another that wants to do, then I do.
Oh, great.
This
Okay.
irritates me.
Okay. So nowadays you are also learning in a Spanish language.
Yes, pardon?
So nowadays you are also learning a Spanish language.
Yes. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Okay. So how was your day so far? Your day
My
was
day
good.
was Yes, my day was good, and I went to shopping with my father and bought this dress and these clips I'm wearing on my hair.
It is really up to you. Okay. It's really up to you. Okay. So by the way, what's your favorite color, Anna?
I have five favorite colors: pink, purple, blue, yellow, and red.
Oh my God, you have five. But if I just give you the five, example five colors, okay, then which will you go with?
Honestly, I like five the same.
The same. But
Yes.
Anna, most of the girls they like the pink color. So do you know why?
I don't
Most of
know,
the girls
maybe
like.
their opinion to like them. And I also like pink too.
Mhm. Okay, so how many dresses you have, which is pink color? Mhm. Three.
Yes,
That's
but
so fun.
there are different shades.
Hmm. Okay. So did you go to school today, or you were at home?
I was it's my holiday today.
Oh, so today you are on a holiday.
Yes, it's my holiday today from school.
That's really interesting. And Anna, do you have interest in singing?
Yes, I'm interested in singing.
Hmm. Okay, so who is your favorite singer?
I like Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber. Oh, great. So can you sing one song, and can you sing at least one stanza, one line and two lines, the song of Justin Bieber?
Can I sing you just three?
Okay.
Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. You know you love me, I know you care. Just show whenever, and I'll be there. You are my love, you are my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart.
Great. That's really amazing. Okay, and your performance was really up to the mark. Okay, and if you ask me, okay, Mithilesh, sir, how many percentage will you give that? Then I will go with 100%. You are a really good singer as well. So Anna, how did you learn such kind of skill in a very early age? How did you improve such kind of activity? Oh my God, you are a matchless. Honestly, I'm saying that. I'm not buttering you.
Well, today is my holiday, and so I'm getting some free time too. So what I just do, and I went to somewhere, so I just practice these in the car.
That's
Well,
really
honestly,
interesting.
I don't have a four-wheeler. I just have a two-wheeler, just a scooter.
Of car.
No, I don't have a car, so because four wheelers are really expensive. But my parents are thinking they're going to buy a car 100% on Diwali.
Okay, I wish you all the best. Okay, definitely your father will buy a beautiful car, and you will, walk here and there with your family, like your mama, dad. And how many siblings do you have, Anna?
I have one younger brother with me, makes two, and he is 4 years and 2 months younger to me, and he's 4 years old. We study in the same school, but he comes a bit early to me from
Oh,
school.
okay. So they are, I think, and I believe that they are also good at English speaking. They know how to speak English.
Honestly, my younger brother is 4 years old. Still, he didn't learn how to talk, but he can talk as much as he can. He just has a slow motion of talking. He talks like a baby, a little.
But you are
But
literally you are talking like the very confident speaker. So how do you just manage your confidence? Because you didn't make any mistakes so far, because you were talking with me almost 20, 12 minutes, and you didn't make any mistakes. So how do you take care of your sentences, and how do you take care of your the grammatical rules? May I know that?
I just practice these before the conversation, and it's not to me who's making myself full confident. It's the person who's talking to me making me confident.